Alright guys, so in the previous videos of this series, we made our 4 functions, which is the signup function, login function, forgot function and our change password function. And in this video, we're going to create our last function, which is the delete account function. And this function will remove the details of the account from the text file. So here how it works, we're going to open our text file and then we're going to print a space instead of our details, or we just replace the details of the account with a space, so it will look like that the account is deleted. So let's start. First of all, let's declare this function. Now first let's just open our file. Our file name is account.txt and we're gonna open it in read mode. Okay, so now we're gonna ask the user that he is sure to delete his account or not. We're gonna input our character with the help of a function which is getChe. It will read single character from the keyboard which displays immediately on the screen without waiting for the enter key. It is similar to the getCh function which we used in our first video of this series. Okay, so let's just run an if statement. We're gonna check that if the user has entered y and y in a small letter. If the user entered yes, then we're gonna open our file and print the space or replace the details of the user or account to a space, so it will look like that the account is deleted. So let's just open our file again, this time in write mode, account dot, and let's just print a space in a file with the help of fprint function. And now let's print on the screen that the account is deleted. And this getCh is to hold the screen until the user enters a key. And in the else part, we're gonna check if the user has entered no. So let's check. Okay, so here we made a mistake. The user will be entered a one character, a single character. So it is either a uppercase Y or a small y. And if the user has entered no, so we're gonna print that the account deletion is stopped. Okay, so let's try to run this code. So our code is running properly, as you can see. Now we want a security code to print on the screen so that user can enter that code and then he will be able to delete his account. So for that we're going to use a function which is fgetC, and it will take a character at a time from the file. It will take an argument which is the file pointer and it will return a character. So we have to declare a character called C so we can store this value. Okay, so now let's just run an if statement, and if the fget function returns EOF, that means end of the file, in the first character, that means our file is empty. So we're gonna print no account to delete. And in the else part, that means our file is not empty. It has something related to our account, that means account details. we're gonna put this logic in our else part. So now let's run the code. Okay, so at this point of time we don't have an account. Okay, so now it is showing that no account to deleted because we don't have an account. So let's just create account. Let's just delete it. It is showing that the account is deleted successfully. That means our account is deleted. So that's all for today, guys. We completed our last function. That means we completed our project. So in the next video we will just add some final touch to our project, something like divider or the divider after the main function. So until then, take care. Goodbye.